Hello and welcome to another quick tip from Night with a PC. Today we will be removing the Ask Toolbar from Internet Explorer. This method is for people having trouble removing the toolbar through the standard method in the control panel. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open Internet Explorer. Navigate your mouse to the little gear icon at the top right, click it, find the Manage Add-ons link and click that. Now as you can see, Ask Toolbar has two entries in the Toolbars and Extensions category, and it also puts itself in the Search Provider category. So what we're going to want to do is go back to our default, which in this case is Bing. So we highlight Bing, click Set as Default, and you can actually remove the ask.com entry by highlighting and hitting Remove. Now you're going to want to navigate to Toolbars and Extensions and highlight Ask Toolbar and hit Disable. Now this disables both entries, and so that is good enough for what we want to do. Now go ahead and close that window. You see it's removed the toolbar, and if you notice that your home page is still set to ask.com. So we're going to want to remove that. So we're going to go back to the gear, go to Internet Options, and under Home Page we're going to want to set our preferred start page. I prefer Google, so I'm going to go ahead and use that. Go ahead and hit OK, and to be sure that it's saved, go ahead and hit the Home icon. As you can see, it's gone back to Google, so our settings are good. And that about wraps it up for this quick tip from Night with a PC. If you found this video helpful, be sure to rate and comment below. Also, for more great videos, check out nightwithapc.com.
Hey folks, this is Shock, and this is a tutorial on how to remove the virus spyware adware program called Win7 Antispyware 2012. This is one of those fake anti-spyware programs that will install on your computer and that will keep giving you pop-up boxes saying to buy it. And it's really hard to get rid of, and I had it on my mom's computer and I helped her get rid of it, and I know some of my friends have had it on their computers too, and we've been able to successfully uninstall it. So I want to give you 5 steps on how to remove Win7 Antispyware 2012. I'm going to put all this information below the description in the video. So let's start off with what it is. Notice it says Win7 Antispyware 2012 is another scam created by computer hackers in order to rip computer users off. Don't confuse it with a reputable anti-spyware program. It only pretends to be one, and notice it says it secretly installed to random computer systems using Trojan viruses. Once inside, it's configured to start automatically when computer boots up. And then what it does, it will warn you that your computer is badly infected, and it will say that you need to pay for it. Yes, it's going to try to ask you for money, and then you can't get rid of the thing. It's real hard to get rid of. So basically, we figured out how to get rid of it, how to uninstall it, and we've even had, I've heard of some people that they've gotten this spyware adware program, and they've even taken their computers, they've even paid to get it removed. It's a real hard one to get removed. But I'm going to show you how to remove it for free, and let's start off with step 1. You want to trick the virus, you want to try to trick it, this spyware, into thinking that you registered it so you can then uninstall it, because these boxes keep popping up, making it virtually impossible to get into the uninstall control panel of your computer. It blocks you from doing it. So let's start with that, and by the way, I want to show you how it looks. The program kind of looks like this. See this box right here on the left? It kind of looks like that. If if you have the same problem, it looks like that. Okay, so let's go to how to remove, and I want to show you something. Let me click this. Okay, you want to go, let's see, here it is right here. Okay, so I'm going to put this below in the video description. The first thing we're going to do, remember, we're going to trick it. Notice it says first try fake registering it by entering this registration key. Okay, this should disable it, letting it think you paid for it. So you're going to trick them, you're going to trick the spyware, adware, virus thing into thinking you registered it. So that's step one, and I'm going to put that link below so you could enter those keys, and that'll get rid of the boxes. After that is done, you want to download, install, and run Malwarebytes Anti-Malware. It's free and it removes it for free. You could download it directly from shotgunnow.net in our free stuff area, and that's how this looks. It looks like this. It's free. You can click download now, and it downloads it, and it will find every instance of that horrible virus, spyware, adware thing, and it will remove it. Okay, so you want to do that. Go to shotgunnow.net, click free stuff, and you'll see this program here, Malwarebytes. Just download it, run it. It's safe, it's free, it will remove it. Now, after running Malwarebytes, this is step 3 now, it will find and remove the spyware, adware, virus. Make sure you go into Malwarebytes Vault. There's like a vault in the software, it says Vault, and it'll show all the bits of the virus there. Delete that. All the little pieces that it finds, it'll first it puts it in the vault. The vault is sort of like recycle bin, you know, for Windows. You know how you delete it, but it's really in the recycle bin. So the virus will be deleted, but it's really still on your system in the vault. So you want to go in the vault and delete it from there also. You'll see that in Malwarebytes. Look for the vault, V-A-U-L-T. Now, step 4, reboot. Reboot your computer, and if it's running great and you don't have it on your system anymore, great. But as a precaution, what I did, because some people say, you know, it was gone for like a couple hours and it came back. Well, the way that it comes back is it goes into your system restore data. You know how Windows will save the past few days of your computer's data in what's called system restore. So as a precaution, I would also shut off system restore for 1 day, 1 24-hour period, then turn it back on as the virus, spyware, adware can hide in your system restore data area. So once 24 hours has gone by and this virus hasn't reared its ugly head again, then you can go back in and turn on system restore again and uninstall. What I would do is uninstall your old antivirus program, since it obviously didn't do a good job at keeping this out, and get a better one. Now, I have some free antivirus programs at shotgunnow.net in our free stuff area. So you guys got the steps. Step 1, you're going to trick the virus into thinking you registered it. I have that. I'll put all this below the links here. And remember, when you're below the video description. Remember, when you're done removing it, make sure you check out how to disable system restore, because it will actually hide in your hard drive still. So there you have it. Step 1, you're going to trick it into thinking you registered it. Step 2, after you've downloaded Malwarebytes Anti-Malware, you can get it right here, shotgunnow.net in the free stuff area. It'll remove it for you, the data. Remove all the virus stuff from your computer. And then step 3, after you run it and it removes it, make sure you go into the vault of Malwarebytes, the software, and delete it from there also. Step 4, reboot. And then, as a precaution, shut off system restore for 1 24-hour period, and then turn it back on as the virus, spyware, adware can hide in your system restore data area. And then go to shotgunnow.net, get a better free antivirus program so this never happens again. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this has been helpful. I know how aggravating it is to get virus, adware, spyware on the computer. This has been a tutorial on how to remove Win 7 Anti-Spyware 2012. God bless you guys and have a great week.